Good morning to you all. Today we are going to start with the section in the writing section, which is story writing. So now basically there is an outline given to you for the story. There is a skeleton given to you for the story, and you have to just make the sentences and give it a form of a story. See, the introduction basic framework of a story is its outline. It is often just skeleton outline. It shows some of the facts of the story and gives a brief what story is like. All the details relevant to the story are filled up to make up a readable story. So the outline is given to you. How to build up from a given outline? Outline आपको दी हुई है, फिर आपको story कैसे बनानी है? Read the given outline carefully, note all the important points, follow the sketch provided. जैसा भी आउटलाइन आपको दिया है, आप अपनी स्टोरी को उसके इर्द गिर्द ही रखेंगे और उसको वैसे ही बनाएंगे. Connect the various points in the outline to make the story readable as a piece of good composition. Use your imagination. Now, this is a very important part. Use your imagination. You have to use your imagination, keeping in the mind that you have given outline is there, so you have to use it, and now you have to use the good vocabulary with it. You have to put on some of the emotions so that the story seems to be story and not a paragraph. Tell the story partly by means of dialogue. Give a title to your story. Give a surprise ending to the story if possible. If it is possible, give a surprise ending to your story. Revise the writing and remove all mistakes in spelling, punctuation, and grammar. This you have to do with each and everything you write. So let's begin with the story. Now, story writing. Father Wildy took son on a trip to show how poor people live. Asked son his reaction. Son says their resources are limited. But the family they saw had nature to give them things, protect them, open air, river at the disposal. They who are rich have limited means. Now, this is a very interesting story. A wealthy father once took a son to tell him that see how the poor people lives. On the contrary, the son told the wealthy father that they are enjoying in the limited resources. Now, this is a very interesting story. Let us go about it. The outline, the skeleton is given to you in the box. You have to just form a story. One day, a father of a very wealthy family took his son on a trip to the countryside with the purpose of showing how the poor people live so he could be thankful for his wealth. They spent a couple of days and nights on the farm of what would be considered a very poor family. Now, you have to keep in the mind while writing the story that you have to use the clues which are given in this particular box, and then you have to form a story. On their return from their trip, the father asked his son, how was the trip? It was great, Dad. Did you see how poor people can be? The father asked. Oh, yes, said the son. So, what did you learn from the trip? Asked the father. The son answered, I saw that we have one dog, they had four. We have a pool that reaches to the middle of the garden, and they have a creek that has no end. We have imported lanterns in our garden, and they have stars at night. Our patio reaches to the front yard, and they have the whole horizon. We have servants to serve us, but they serve others. We buy our food, but they grow theirs. We have walls around the property to protect us. They have friends to protect them. At this, the boy's father was speechless. Then his son added, thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are. Okay, so this was story which was built around the skeleton which is provided to you, and you have to do the same things with the other assignment which is given in your book. Now, a house near the Ganges, father goes to the another village, son in charge of the house, the river in flood, water everywhere. mother and sister in danger, a boat near the house, the boy saves the family. Now, this is the skeleton, this is the clue, this is the hint which is given to you, and now you have to form a story. See, I have formed the story, but your story can differ from me. So don't worry about it. You just don't have to mug whatever I'm going to give you. You don't have to mug it up. You just have to think about it, and as per your thoughts, you write your story. Okay, this is just a base for you. There was a village near the Ganges. In the village, the businessman Ramsuk used to live with his family. His family consisted of his wife, son, and daughter. Once he had to go to nearby village for the business, so he gave the responsibility of taking care of the family to his son. Suddenly, a cyclone strikes the village. There was a heavy rain and a strong winds due to the cyclone. Everything was submerged in water. Many houses were destroyed. Many people of the villages were missing. The son was really worried about the mother and sister. He saw the boat floating in the river. He thanked the God and saved his family. Moral, whatever happens, happens to our good. Okay. The second story, again, the skeleton, the outline has been given to you. A merchant riding home from a fair, a large sum of money with him, sudden heavy rainfall, merchant gets wet, grumbles, shortly attacked by the robber. Robbers attempt to shoot, failure, powder dam, the merchant escapes, moral, good out of evil. Now, there are some of the words which you may need an explanation, like grumbles. Grumbles मतलब क्या होता है? अगर हम हिंदी में बात करें तो grumbling is basically whispering. Now, when you are angry, you are not able to do anything about it, then आपको एक सोर्स चाहिए होता है. आपको जब आप गुस्से में होते हैं तो आपको एक सोर्स चाहिए होता है जिसमें आप अपनी भड़ास निकाल सके. अब और अगर आपको तकलीफ देने वाला आपसे ज्यादा ताकतवर है तो आप ग्रम्बलिंग करते हैं, बड़बड़ाते हैं. ग्रम्बलिंग इज नथिंग बट बड़बड़ाना. ठीक है. अब अगर हैवी रेनफॉल हो गया है तो वो तो भगवान ने किया है, तो आप कुछ तो नहीं कर सकते, भगवान से जाके लड़ाई तो नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन बड़बड़ा सकते. ठीक है. देन कम पाउडर डैम. डैम्प मतलब सीला हुआ, गीला जैसा. नॉट गीला, बट उसमें मॉइस्चर कंटेंट ज्यादा होगा. गीले के लिए हम वेट वर्ड यूज करते हैं, बट हियर वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड डैम्प, यानी गीला है, सीला सा है. अगर आपका गन पाउडर डैम्प हो जाता है तो वो गोली जो है वो काम नहीं करती है. इस वजह से it didn't work and the merchant escaped. A merchant and a robber. One night, rich merchant was returning home after a long day from a fair. Fair is mela, some sort of a mela. He was taking back a very large sum of money. On his way, he found a shortcut, but it crossed the forest. There lived many robbers and goons. Robbers and goons, यानी चोर लुटेरे. हम इसको साथ में यूज करते हैं, चोर एंड लुटेरे. So goons are the लुटेरे. He went through anyways. The merchant got wet. The money was safe inside the bag. A robber was watching from behind the bushes. He attacked the merchant. When the robber attempted to shoot, the gun did not fire as the gunpowder got wet. The merchant seeked his chance and escaped. Moral, good out of evil. Write out a story making use of given outlines and give a suitable title to it. Akshay, a poor boy, finds a purse containing $500. Owner address on the purse, returns it to the owner. Owner please gives him a good job in his office. Boy and the wallet story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Akshay. He was very poor. One day, while he was going to town in search of work, he found a purse lying on the road. The purse contained $500. He searched the purse further, hoping to find something related to the owner. He found a card where the owner address was given. Akshay at once went to that address and returned him the purse. The owner was very pleased. So as a reward for his honesty, he gave Akshay a job in his office. Honesty pays. This was the moral. Next story. A slave runs away from his master, sees a lion, crying in pain, slave takes out the thorn from the lion's paw. A few months later, slave is caught, ordered to be thrown before a hungry lion. Lion rushes at him, licks his face, remember the kindness, lion and slave both set free. The story is something like this: the slave and the lion. A slave ran away from his master by whom he had been most cruelly treated. As he wandered about in search of food and shelter, he came to a cave which he entered and found to be unoccupied. Really, however, it was lion's den. After some time, lion himself appeared. The man gave himself up for the lost, but the lion was whining and lifting up his paw. Observing his paw, he found thorn in the lion's paw. Slave took out the thorn. A day came when the slave was caught by his master's men. Master was furious at slave. He ordered to throw the slave before a hungry lion. Hungry lion rushes at him. Lion, after one glance, mounted up to him and lay down at his feet with every expression of affection and delight. Lion licked his face. The audience clamored, and the lion slave and clamored that the slave's life should be spared. The governor of the town, marveling at such gratitude and infidelity in a beast, decreed that both should be received their liberty. Moral: do good, have good. Now see, these are the story which I am writing, but your story is definitely going to be a bit different, and you don't have to bother about it. You just have to continue writing the story by the given outlines. So this is the story now. Okay. Two women in the court of the Vikramaditya quarreled over the motherhood of a baby boy. The king thought of a device: divide the child into two pieces and give one piece to each. One of them cried, "Let the child be with the other woman." The king declared the award. Now, we have done the 4 stories, and this story you are going to do yourself. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to ask each one of you about the story. I hope you have opened your book and you are seeing the skeleton, the outline provided to you. So you are going to make the story. I am not going to do that for you today, right? So let's begin with you guys.
मैम कंपोजिशन वाले मैम जो आपने लिखवाए है ना मैम,
हाँ
मैम वो कॉपी में करने हैं बुक में?
बेटा कॉपी में कर लो, अगर आपके बुक में नहीं आ रहा है तो, अगर बुक में आ जाता है तो आप बुक में कर लो, जैसा आपको ठीक लगे।
मैम मर्जी है, बुक में करो चाहे कॉपी में करो।
हाँ, क्योंकि उसका टेक्स्ट ज्यादा है तो हो सकता है बुक में नहीं आई तो आप अपनी कॉपी में भी कर सकते हैं। ओके विपुल, ये तो बात की बात हो गई, लेकिन आप मुझे पहले ये बताइए, टू वुमेन इन द कोर्ट ऑफ विक्रमादित्य quarreled. Hello?
The motherhood of a baby boy.
Yes, make a sentence. Let's start the story. Make a sentence. Try. गलत हो जाएगा, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा, try at least.
मैम हिंदी में बोलना है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. We are going to make the story in the English. How can you speak in Hindi? You have to speak in English. Make the sentences in English. Simple sentences. Okay.
Man in the court of...
Okay, you think about it, Vibhuj. I am going to come again to you. Okay? Navya Jain.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Once upon a time, in the court of King Vikramaditya, there were 2 women who quarreled over the motherhood of a baby boy.
Stop, Navya. Thank you. Let others speak, okay? Thank you for making the introduction part of the story, the main part of the story. Now, I'm going to another student. Be attentive.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sarthak.
Satvik.
Satvik. Okay, fine,
My
Satvik.
brother's name is there.
Okay, fine. Absolutely fine. Just tell me your name and make a sentence.
Ma'am, Satvik.
Okay, Satvik, just make the sentence further to which Navya has left us with those sentences. So leave the first sentence and then start with the second one. The king thought of a device, divide the child into two pieces and give one piece to each. Okay.
There was no result of that quarrel. Then the king thought the device, and king gave them a advice of dividing children into two pieces and give one of them to each.
Okay. Thank you, Satvik. I'm going to move forward to the another child. Okay. Let me see who I'm going to get now. Mahir, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Right. इसके आगे की स्टोरी बनाइए. One of them cried, let the child be with the other woman. The king declared the war.
Then one of the women cried and said that let be the child too with the another woman. And then the king thought that she is the real mother of the child, and she declared
Very good, Mahir. Okay. So now one of the student is going to tell me the whole story, right? And let me see who that student is going to be. I think I have got one. Just wait for some moment. I don't want to ask again to the students who have already spoken. I need someone who has not spoken in the class. So, okay. I don't think. Vivan, can you form a story from this given outline? Vivan, are you able to hear me? Vivan? Okay. So, you guys have done a marvelous job. You tried to make the story with the outline given. And now we are going to this, moving to the solution part of it. Once two women came in the court of King Vikramaditya, both of them cried for the baby. The king asked them that what their problem was. One of the women replied that I am Sita and she is Geeta and this baby is mine, while this Geeta says this is mine. The king thought of a device and whispered something in the soldier's ear. The soldiers bought a sword and was about to cut the child into the two halves. Sita begged to the king that let the child be with the Geeta, but don't kill the child. The king declared the award for Sita and gave the strict warning to Geeta. The son was given to Sita as the mother will never want her child to be killed. Moral, truth always triumphs. Right? So these were your story composition session. And now, if you are not able to understand anything, just raise your hand so that I can take up your doubts. Navya and Sarthak, are you having a doubt or you have forgotten to put down your hand? Navya and Satvik, sorry. If you are having any doubt, let me know